In this tutorial, we're going to revise power of a power law. So what does it say? It says that when raising a power to a power, we multiply the exponents. Like you have x to the power a raised to the power of b, then we have to say x to the power of a times b. Then we just keep the base the same. We don't change the base. That's what we can do here. So a is equal to x to the power 9 times 1 over 3. And then 9 times 1 over 3 is what? You can say 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 9, 3. This is like x to the power 3, or x cubed. Then b, same thing here. We are raising this power to x minus 2. So we're going to multiply the exponents. It's going to be a to the power x plus 2 times x minus 2. And then if you check here, we have difference of two squares. So this is going to be a to the power x squared minus 4.